Yes, for today I want to talk about how we use can and can't. And before jumping into the topic, I know, just a reminder. So you know that it is a modal verb that we use in English, and as a modal verb, it is a helping verb. As soon as it is a helping verb, we can't use it alone. For example, if I say can, you are waiting for the verb to come. I can make a video right now. Yes. So this is very important for us because I have noticed that parents, teachers are not listening carefully to the kids because the kids are misusing this can't instead of can. It is very crucial because as soon as you say I can't, of course you can't do anything anymore. So instead of saying can't, please help the kid to use can. For example, the kid is trying to play a game and the kid is worrying, saying I can't play that game. Stop the kid, say, what did you say? Please don't repeat that anymore. Just you need to say, how can I play this game? I want to play this game. Help me. Please help me. Never use again can't, because can't is directly blocking our psychology. So our ability is blocked. So use can and can't correctly. Instead, you can use the past form. If you don't know, the past form is could. So you can use I couldn't. I couldn't do it. So now I want to do it. So help me. How can I do it? Remember, I can't do it. Make a cross. Don't use this anymore. Use how can I do it? Much better. Call for help. Please help me. I want to do it also. So as soon as you behave like that, so you are releasing all your ability, all your might that you want, your eager. So this helps you to do it. This helps you to move forward, because as soon as you say I can't, so you are at the same position. You can't move forward, you can't move backward, you are just at the same place. How can I do it? Or if you want to use the past form, couldn't. I couldn't do it. Thank you. This is a short video that I have made today. If you like this video, please don't like it, just write your comments, write your experience about this can and can't, this modal verb, and it may help many people.